Most people start dropshipping the wrong way. They chase random products, copy trends, and hope something sticks. But what if I told you there's a structured business plan that can help you reach $60,000 a month step by step using real data, proven tools, and no guesswork? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a Shopify dropshipping business from the ground up, the same way successful stores are doing it right now. We'll go from finding the perfect product to verifying it, understanding how to design your store, creating viral content, and what is needed to create paid ads that actually convert. So if you're serious about turning dropshipping into a real business, stay with me till the end because every step here builds towards your first $60,000 a month dropshipping business using Shopify. Okay, so let's go over the full business plan that's going to guide you step by step toward building a successful Shopify dropshipping store. Here's what we're going to cover in today's video. First, how to find a product that can be expanded into a niche or a one-product store. Second, how to source the product in a way that leaves you with high profitability. Once we've found the right product, we'll perform a product verification to make sure it's truly a winning item. We'll also go over the best practices for how and where to market this product organically, so you can start generating traffic and sales even before running any paid ads. Next, we'll go over how to open your Shopify account and then how to design your store using proven layouts from top competitors. And finally, we'll learn how to market your product effectively using paid ads on TikTok, following proven insights that are already working for other successful stores. Okay, so the first step to reaching $60,000 in sales starts with one crucial element: the product you choose to sell in your Shopify dropshipping store. This is the foundation of your entire business plan, so let's make sure we do it right. I've gathered a few key guidelines for the kind of product we're looking for. It should have at least $60,000 in recent sales. It should be expandable, meaning it can work either as a one-product store with add-on items like a neck pillow paired with a pillowcase and a soft light bulb for better sleep, or it can grow into a niche store like a full cat accessory shop. We don't want products that lack either of these two expansion options. The product should also have about 70% profit margin, come from the international supplier like AliExpress or Shein, so it can reach global buyers and have a strong wow effect, something that grabs attention and makes its sourcing price hard to guess. If a product checks all of those boxes, that means it has a real potential to become the foundation of your dropshipping store. This step is critical. Take the time to research properly. To find products that meet all of these requirements, I'll use Zeek Analytics, specifically the Product Explorer for Shopify. This tool shows real products currently selling in Shopify dropshipping stores along with hidden data Shopify doesn't display, like total sales, revenue, and what each store is doing right to sell successfully. In the Product Explorer, I'll set it up like this. Under product type, I'll keep it broad and select dropshipping, one product store, and others. For revenue, since I'm looking for a potential gem I can build a full store around, I'll filter for products that generated at least $60,000 in the past 30 days. That's it. No need to overcomplicate the filters. Let's click search and see what comes up. All right, I'm seeing some strong products here, but one stands out, the POV Pro 4K UHD. It's priced at $99 and made over $87,000 in sales revenue. That's impressive. And by reviewing the product sales page, I can clearly see why it's generating so many sales. The product itself is fantastic. It appeals to a wide audience. It's an ideal gift item. And to be honest, the price, $100, that price point looks very reasonable, especially considering that major brand action cameras today can cost several times more. Now let's dig deeper and scan the store selling it by clicking on the detective icon. Wow, this is definitely a one-product dropshipping store. Only 3 listings, all variations of the same mini POV cam, and it's generating almost $100,000 in revenue. That is a clear winner. Now let's confirm if it's truly profitable by checking its sourcing and margins, because I don't want to waste time and money on a product with minimal profit. Now, let's see if this product can actually give us a strong profit margin when sourced from international suppliers. In this case, AliExpress. If we sell the 4K mini POV camera for $100, just like the Shopify store we found earlier. I'll click on the AliExpress icon to source it. And okay, I see several exact matches, but let's go with this one for this example. This is the exact same mini POV camera, and the 4K model costs only $36.96 with free shipping. That means our profit margin is roughly 63%. It's not the 70% we aimed for, but since this is a semi-high ticket product, the profit per sale is still strong. So let's break it down. The dropshipping store sells the camera for $100. Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, totaling around $3.20. The sourcing cost on AliExpress is $36.96. That gives us a profit of about $60 per sale, which means we could even spend up to $30 per order on paid ads and still stay profitable. Now, let's check if this product can become the centerpiece of a one-product dropshipping store. For that, we'll look for possible add-ons. I can immediately see options like SD cards, 32 gigabytes and 64 gigabytes, which make great high-margin upsales. But let's go deeper. I'll search AliExpress for magnetic body cam accessories. So after just a 2-minute search, I found several cool add-on products that perfectly complement this camera and turn it into a full product ecosystem, including magnetic lanyard, neck mount strap, 30-meter waterproof case, and all of that took less than 2 minutes to find. These accessories are inexpensive, but add real value. If someone is already buying this $100 camera, it's completely reasonable they'll want to grab the matching accessories too, which means higher checkout values and bigger profits for us. Now, let's add a final layer of security: product verification. So far, everything looks great, and it seems we found a solid product. But part of our $60,000 per month plan is making sure the product has broad success. One store doing well with it isn't enough to base our business on. So here's what we're going to do. We'll run another scan using the Zeek Product Explorer tool to check whether other Shopify stores are also selling this product successfully. I'll go to the search bar and type in the term that best describes it, something like action camera. All right, I can see 2 more stores selling the same exact product. And look at these numbers. Both are crushing it. So here's the takeaway. We've now verified the product across multiple data points. 3 different Shopify dropshipping stores are successfully selling the same product and reaching high sales numbers. That confirms it. This product is hot, it's trending, and it's a reliable foundation for our next step in the business plan. Before we move forward, let's take a quick look at where we are in the business plan and what's still ahead of us. So far, we've used Zeke's Product Explorer to find a product with over $60,000 in monthly revenue. The product we found checks all the boxes of a successful item. The profit margin is around 60%, not quite 70%, but that's perfectly fine since it's a semi-high ticket product with about $55 of profit per sale. We also confirmed that this action camera can serve as the centerpiece of a one-product store with plenty of complementary add-ons to boost the average cart value. Finally, we verified the product by checking multiple stores that sell it successfully, confirming that it's a hot and in-demand product. Now, here's what's coming next in our plan. We'll create a marketing strategy based on what's already working for other successful stores. We'll open a Shopify account. We'll design the store using proven layouts from top competitors. And finally, we'll learn how to market the product effectively using paid ads. Now that we've found the product before opening a Shopify account, we need to understand the best way to generate traffic that actually converts into buyers. And once again, it's smarter to rely on data and not guesswork. To figure out how to market to this product effectively, we'll open up the 3 Shopify stores we found earlier that are already selling it. I want to focus on one key area, their social channels, and answer 2 main questions. First, which social media platform should we focus on? And second, what type of content works best for this product? Here's the thing, creating content, especially if you plan to build a one-product store, is worth doing right. Ordering the product yourself and making original content can be a great move. Now, let's review the social channels of these 3 stores. On the first store, I don't see any active social media presence, so let's move on to the next one. Now, this one has 3 active social media channels: TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Are all of them working well for this store? Let's find out. Starting with TikTok. The results are incredible. TikTok loves this product. We're talking about millions of views, which translate directly into store traffic and sales. The best part, the top video with over 5 million views is extremely simple to make. That's the key idea here, identifying top performing videos and recreating similar ones. With this quick analysis, we've already saved hours of trial and error. Now let's move on to Instagram. At first glance, there aren't many likes on posts, but when we check the reels, everything clicks. Just like on TikTok, the reels are getting millions of views. And here's the secret. Those reels are the exact same videos reposted from TikTok. Nothing fancy, just smart repurposing. Next is YouTube. Same story here. Millions of views using the same short videos that were originally made for TikTok and Instagram. So here is the summary. Figure out which social platforms are worth your time and identify what type of content works best. Then create similar videos tailored to your store. But here's the deal. Your success won't come from 1 or 2 posts. These successful Shopify stores are uploading new content daily across their channels. That's the mindset you need to have. Consistency, consistency, and consistency. That's the name of the game for success. Okay, before we move forward and open the Shopify store, if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a like and subscribe to our channel by the end of it. It helps us grow and create even more videos like this one. And if you want to use the same product research and validation tools I'm showing you in this video, you can start using Zeek Analytics today. The link is right below. Now that we've discovered a winning product and gathered all the marketing insights we need, it's time to open a Shopify store. This step is straightforward. You can use the link below for it and just add your email, fill in your details, and within 2 minutes, your Shopify account will be ready. But here is an important tip. Don't open the store before completing your product research and marketing analysis. You'll get the most value out of Shopify's trial period by setting it up only after you're fully prepared with data and direction. Once your store is ready, we can move on to the next step, which is designing for success. In this phase of the business plan, it's time to design your Shopify dropshipping store. The best approach is to model your design based on other stores that are already selling this product successfully. Here's exactly what I'll do. I'll go back to the stores I found during the product research process and successfully study how they're built. I'll look at the overall layout, the color shades they use, the text in their announcement bar, the design of their call to action buttons, how their logo looks, and even how they display customer reviews. The goal is simple. Design your store based on proven insights. Learn from what's already working so you can skip the guesswork and build a store layout that's optimized for sales from day one. Now we've reached almost the final step in our business plan, creating a paid ads strategy. This step is best done after you've already posted a few videos organically and started building some followers around your social media brand. To understand how to create effective paid ad content, I recommend using the TikTok ads library. It's the perfect tool to see what's currently working. Here's what I'll do. I'll open the TikTok ads library where I can view videos that are being promoted through paid ads. For the settings, I'll choose Ad Target Country and select all countries. Ad Type, select all ad types. Ad Published Date, we'll select past 6 months. Advertiser name or keyword, we'll type in mini action camera. And once those filters are set, I'll review the videos advertising this exact product. The goal here is to open TikTok Ads Manager and model our targeting and ad content based on what's already showing strong performance. I'll look for ads with a high number of unique users seen. That's a good sign the content performs well. For example, I can see one ad targeting the United Kingdom that promotes a store discount and uses a short, engaging video to showcase the product. That's the kind of insight we can use to shape our own ads. It's best to repeat this process with multiple ads to gather the most valuable insights from different campaigns. And here's a bonus tip. If you want to expand the countries you target, use the free browser extension SimilarWeb. Open the website of the stores already selling this product, scroll down, and check their traffic sources. In this case, most visitors come from the United States, Australia, India, Canada, and France, which means these are the countries worth targeting with your paid ads too. Now that your entire operation is set up, it's important not to let the competition get ahead of you. To keep your Shopify dropshipping store relevant and performing at its best, you need to keep expanding and evolving. That means adding more products based on real data, testing new types of content, continuously optimizing your paid ads, and staying on top of the latest trends and platform updates. This is the best way to maintain your store's strong position, stay competitive, and keep your growth momentum going. So let's recap what we just built together. We started by finding a product that's proven to sell. Not by guessing, but by using Shopify data. We sourced it smartly for maximum profit, verified it across multiple stores, understood how to design the store for maximum conversion, and learned exactly how to market both organically and with paid ads. And now you have the complete roadmap to scale and keep adding products, refining content, and growing month after month. The only thing left is consistency. That's what separates people who watch videos from those who build real businesses. If this plan helped you see how real dropshipping success works, Give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to build their own Shopify success story. Your $60,000 a month doesn't start with luck. It starts with action. Thanks for watching, keep moving forward, and I will see you next time.